Hello guys, today I'm going to tell you about that Pipedog token. Now before we start the video, let's hear my legal disclaimer. This video is only for education purpose. Do your own research for the investing. According to the website, his Pipedog, he has question Pipedog. Pipedog is built on Robinhood blockchain, which means Pipedog Robinhood dose. This is Pipedog. Pipedog token total supply is 12.34 billion Pipedog token, and circulating supply is also 12.34 billion Pipedog token. Pipedog token is listed on MEXC, LBank, Uniswap V4 and other exchanges. If I share my opinion with you in this project, up to 70% chances that it is a legit or good project. So guys, don't take my opinion as a financial advice. Do your own research for the investing. Thanks for watching.